Yundel channel. I am here today to thank you, each and every one of you, for following me in my channel, for supporting me. I am not here in this all months in YT if it is not because of you. Thank you so much, guys, for following me. Thank you for visiting my channel. I am forever grateful to each and every one of you. As I begin to my new journey, new book I am going to vlog. This is still about mindset, about personal development. We are on this journey together. We can work this life, guys. Life is not easy. It is full of challenges. It is full of problems and trials. But if we are on this together, we can work it. When we have the right tools we are going to use every day. I mean, guys, the tools we are going to use, the encouragement, the good words, the inspiration we are going to hear every day. I am sharing this with you because I am working with myself. I am not perfect. I am still working with myself through a good life, through a good situation, of life. So, it is not easy, but when we are on this together, we can work this as much as possible by using the tools I am reading, I am sharing it with you. We can work on this together. Just keep on believing in yourself. Learn to ask, learn to believe, and have faith in you. Remember, each and every one of us is unique. We have all talents to share out there to the world. You have a talent as well. You are a unique person. You are good enough. So guys, keep on doing what you love doing. It is important that we must do what we love. Why? Because when there is love, it is easier for us to accomplish things. Because there is inspiration, there is encouragement, and remember, love always starts from your own self as well as the happiness. The happiness is within us. We must just activate it because it is very important that every day we feel good, we feel happy, even life is so hard. But don't think it is a hard, guys, because in this life journey, there is no easy way. We are going to experience the hardships, the trials, the challenges. We must just embrace the moment that all these things is just a part of our life journey. So the key, just smile in it anyway. I know it is not easy, guys. Instead of crying because of your heavy heart, you are in sorrow because of lot of problems, trials, whatsoever it may be. Try to work with your mindset, guys, and smile anyway. Don't smile it maybe in front of the people when somebody is dying because it is not good. But you can go a moment to yourself in front of the mirror, declare it, smile it that you are living a good life. You are going to be a successful. You are good enough. You are valuable enough. You can do amazing things in this life. So guys, I am just here. I will continue to do the blogging about inspirational words, about encouragement, about self-developments in order to help others, because my life has never been easy, but I am turning it around from the negativity to positivity in order to live a good, successful life. Being successful, guys, it's not just about the money. It's not about riches. You can be successful whatsoever you are doing right now, what you are fulfilling, reaching upon your goals. Everybody can make it, guys, when you have the belief within yourself. You have the love with yourself. You must encourage to keep on doing what you are doing. But remember, you must learn to love what you are doing. And the key of all these things, you must know what you really want in your life. Because the other things will follow. I believe what the book saying. If you can be happy every day, if you are content and grateful every day, whatsoever the circumstances of our life, guys, just be happy, just be grateful, and create that good feelings within you, because that is the key to be successful. The money will just follow when we can work with ourselves. I believe in that, and I hope you are going to believe in you. And it is very important, guys, I must say it again, you must be in love with yourself. Remember, you are an amazing person. You are a unique person. Embrace the moment of loving yourself, because when you love yourself, then you are happy, you are content. Whatsoever trials will come in your life, I know you can make it to solve it, because trials, problems are there to be solved. Whatsoever it is, just smile at it and say thank you for the trials. I can do this. I can make this work. So guys, just learn to ask God or to ask the universe. Ask, believe, and be ready for receiving. That is from the book, The Secret. We must learn to ask and be specific what you are asking, what you want in your life. When you are finished asking all the things you want in your life, guys, then you must learn to work with yourself to believe in it, and believe. After the believing, you have the faith in it, and be ready to prepare yourself for receiving what you are asking. It will come to you in its perfect divine timing. I experience it, guys. I know you can experience it too. But remember, embrace every season of your life. Our life is like a weather with different kinds of season. We must embrace it anyway, despite of the difficulties, despite of the hardships, despite of the crying sleepless night. Yes, it is hard. Yes, it is painful when we are lying down in bed crying. The heart is so terrible. But remember, guys, in every hardship, in every heartache, there is a lesson to learn. Take that special moment with yourself and embrace it. This is not good, but you are going to turn it around, believing yourself that all good will come to you in its perfect divine timing. But remember, the key in all these things is loving yourself. You must learn to be in love with yourself and be grateful. The two simple words, the key to success is say thank you. Be grateful whatsoever happening in your life at the moment. Just simply say thank you. I can manage this. God or the universe give us the trials for us to survive, for us to be strong, for us to learn something. In every season of our life, we are experiencing a lot of different kinds of situations. But remember, there is a lesson to learn in every season in our life. Guys, this is Yundel. I am forever grateful to each and every one of you visiting me here in my channel. I am here to inspire you, motivate you to keep on going, so I can be motivated as well. Even though at my age now, I still want to keep on going where I want to be. But you must know what you want. You must feel happy, satisfied, and be grateful what is in front of you at the moment. Guys, thank you so much. And again, I am with you all along the way in this life journey. Write a comment, connect with me so we can work on this together. Guys, I am just here for a reason, to serve you, and I hope you will do the same, to work with yourself in order to have a good life, in order to reach the goal of your success, or where you want to be. You must know where you want to be in order to reach your goal. Each and every one of us have goals in life, guys, so we must just keep on going. Remember, life is amazing, but you are the one who can make it amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you all. Don't forget to click the like and share and the bell so you're always notified every time I have a video to share. Thank you so much, guys, and I love you. Bye-bye.